Heard the phrase that the family who plays together stays together. How about the family that refs together? Paige Pearson with more on a family tandem in stripes.
It's a whole different perspective on the game.
Horns and whistles. Scorebooks and stripes, they all indicate that a referee is in the building. And while there are 2 paid officials for every varsity basketball game, there are often many more unpaid throughout the gym.
Everyone officiates during the game, but they're afraid to put the stripes on and officiate. And we need more officials.
Fortunately for Green Bay's Jerry Getleski, there's safety in numbers. Jerry and his son Rob have been officiating together the past 3 years.
Used to repping with them. It's probably easier to call a game with them sometimes just because the chemistry is there.
With each call, the Getleskis' bond on the court grows. However, there are some healthy debates along the way.
We had a game where we both had a different call on a play, and we're waiting for the game film to see who was right. So those father-son challenges are always there.
Like any high school basketball team, this duo has its sights on Madison.
We'd like to get to the state tournament and do a game together there. That would be really, really wonderful.
Until then, this father-son tandem will keep honing their craft.
We don't do it for the money, we do it because we enjoy being around the game.
And if they miss a call, backup isn't far away.
There's always going to be a call or 2 you miss because you got 2 sets of eyes on 10 players. But the key is to not miss many.
Paige Pearson, Fox 11 Sports.